Welcome back, welcome back. In this section, I'm going to be focusing on assignments B and assignment C. They come bundled as one thing. However, assignment B needs us to design and deploy, and assignment C needs us to manage and review. So let me quickly go over the scenario, try to give some context where possible, and then we can jump into the P3, P4 stuff. You have recently joined the IT department of a medium-sized company. All of the company data and applications are currently stored on servers located at the head office. However, the IT director is keen to investigate whether cloud technologies would be of benefit to the company. You have been asked to implementing, okay, this was wrong from BTEC, this wasn't me. You have been asked to implement, I'm guessing, a pilot cloud-based collaboration solution for a small department in the company who write technical manuals for the company products. The collaboration system needs to allow the 5 people who work in the department to have cloud-based storage areas where they can collaborate on Word process documents and spreadsheets. They also need to be able to share calendar appointments. Users should be able to access the system via at least 2 different browsers from desktop operating systems and at least one mobile operating system. This seems pretty straightforward so far, right? So the first thing I would do when I get to P3 and P4, I'll explain what I would do first. Again, but I would make a list of the things that need to be done. So we have a list of requirements essentially, and the requirements are going to be 5 people need to be able to work. They need to be able to send emails. They need to be able to do word processing. They need to be able to do spreadsheets. They need to be able to access it from at least 2 browsers and the mobile operating system as well. Straight away, I can tell you I'm probably going to use OneDrive or Google Drive because it allows for every single thing here. I would say more Google Drive because I know how the calendar stuff there works. I am 100% sure you can do this on OneDrive as well because Microsoft Teams has a feature where you can send calendar invites and you can have video meetings and all of that stuff. So it could be any one of them. The choice is yours. So you can use a system like that for this entire thing. And again, here are the things that we have to do for this task. I would recommend pausing the video and having a look at everything that needs to be done. I just had a quick read of the assessment criteria again, and I'm looking at D3 here. And D3 says we need to demonstrate individual responsibility, creativity, and effective self-management in the design, development, and review of cloud storage and collaboration solutions. What this means, quite simply, have a Gantt chart. You're going to be doing some project management, have a Gantt chart that shows every single task, every single person that needs to be involved. I'm going to show this as well. I'm going to start off by showing it now, but it's not going to be as super detailed. But the main thing you need to do is whilst you're doing all your individual tasks, I would put the name of the task. So I would do task name, and I would do task length, and maybe so task length would be start date and end date. So task length would be broken down on the start date and end date, and leave it at that for now. When we get to D3, I'll show you how to put all that information together so you can do this section here. I went on to my spreadsheet program, which is called WPS Office, and I found a really nice template, which I'll share with you guys. There were a few more. So what I might do on the website, on my website, Ron's Tech Hub, I might have 3 spreadsheets under that section, and I might label them, well, I will label them as Gantt chart template 1, 2, and 3. And you can go in and choose the one you want to use and simply change the dates around, as I will show later on. Fill in the progress bar section, and you should be good to go.